So in this video, I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Then when we're ready with the setup, because there's setup necessary to begin, we can click on these three dots in the top right corner of our screen and move to the settings. Inside, find the password manager. And right here, make sure that inside the settings, offer to save passwords is enabled. Now we can go back and open any website we want to save our credentials for. And in this case, I'm going to go with the Facebook. Click on login, and after a few seconds we'll be able to see save password. Click on that save, and then again go back to the password manager. And right here you'll see your password for the Facebook. You can click on that and move to the settings, because we need to set up the lock screen as well. Now unlock your tablet, and here it is. We can see our nickname. There's also password that you can click at this icon to check it out. There's option to edit the username as well as the password. And when you're ready, you need to click on that save. And there's also option to delete this password from the list with delete button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.